Right, in today's tutorial, we're going to be adding a little bit more texture into your basic footwork steps. Right, so basic footwork step, so you've got footwork, right? You've got a few steps. Say like you've got a 6-step and a 3-step, okay? But you want to have some more moments that look a little bit more unpredictable, less readable, and a little bit more free. So let's take the 2 steps, the 6-step and the 3-step, and we'll go to the point of where we're going to transition, which is the back of footwork. That's where we transition from the 6-step to the 3-step. I mean, you can do it at the front as well, like boom, 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 like this. There's no reason why you can't do that. But for this one, I'm going to take it back. You can do it pretty much from anywhere. There's no real rules, okay? So if we take boom, 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 you kind of want something before this, and I'm just making this up at the moment because this is how my thought process of what I would do. This is why these kind of tutorials are raw, and you can kind of just come along with me for the ride on how I think. Hopefully it's helpful and you understand. So I've not written this one down, there's no plan. This is what I do for myself. Maybe it's helpful for you. I hope it is. I'm at the back of my footwork here, and I'll turn to the side so you guys can see. I'm gonna have a moment in 3s. So what does that mean? I'm gonna make 3 shapes, hits. I'm gonna get to here, and I'm gonna make a shape moment. So I might go 1, 2, 3, okay? And then from here, that's my 3. I now need to transition. So I'm gonna do the simplest one possible. I'm gonna turn and kick, all right? So if I do this together, this will make my 6-step and 3-step look a little bit more sexy, a little bit more complicated. So again, I'll face this way because this would be the direction of my opponent. I'd probably go 1, 2, 3, and then I'd go ha, ha, round, ha, like this, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a little faster. Here we go, boom, 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 ha, ha, round, ha, boom, ha. Okay, and now I've added a bit more texture into that simple combination. Okay, let's try another one. So let's go, say, I want to go CCs into a baby swipe or something. So 1, 2, 3, baby swipe. Yeah, well, let's just do 2 for now, make it easier. We have to go 2, 2, 1, 2, and then baby swipe. So that's the baby swipe, okay? Now, I want to make that a little bit more exciting, okay? So I'll go to my last position. So I have, and I'm completely just making this up. It's not pre-planned. 1, 2. So this is the CC go up or down is my options. I'm gonna do it as I come down because I want it to flow. So I'm gonna go 1 under, 2, and I always do this, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go here, and what do I want to go into afterwards? My baby swipe. 2, 3. I'll go baby swipe the wrong way, like this. Let me see if that works in the flow, because it might not. So I'll go 1, 2, down. Okay, there we go. Forgot it. I'm gonna try again. So it's 1, 2, down, over, here, here, round. That transition doesn't work. So this is when I get stuck like that. Okay, I'll go here. I would go, okay, from here, I need to get into a baby swipe. What I can do is I've already gone to that figure 4 thing, so I'll stop here. I can go into like a kind of monkey swing position. So I'll go round, here, back. And now that doesn't break the flow and it makes it easier, relatively. So again, I'll try that a little faster. So I'll go 1, 2, round, over, freeze, 1, 2, baby swipe. Okay, and it's just adding a little bit more texture to something that would look quite simple and predictable otherwise. Let me try that one more time, make sure it flows nicely, because it still feels a bit off after I'm hitting the freeze and going to the next one. Do you know why? Because there's too many freezes stacked together. So the flow breaks twice. So when I go over, I'm not gonna sit down, I'm gonna go straight over, like that. That might feel better. Let me try that now. Okay, so CC, CC, round, over. Ha, that's better, that flows a little better. Okay, you see what I mean? So this is kind of how I would figure out adding a little bit more depth and texture into my footwork and my patterns or combinations. And then you can practice it until it becomes familiar with a set, and you try to end with an exclamation mark. So you can use obviously a freeze, but some footwork freezes or some moment, you know, whatever it may be, you can add those things in. I forgot to add, I know I've taken my jumper off, so continuity and all that, but it's in threes, so it's still in threes. Even though I changed something to make it flow, it was still in threes, okay? So just to clarify, because I forgot my own point, was CC, CC. Now this is 1, this is 2, 3, okay? Now the transition. So this wouldn't count, this is the transition, and now I'm back into the original step that I was going to go into. Hope that makes sense. Think about it in threes. It's a nice little way to not do it for too long and not too short, but make sure it flows as well. And you'll know if something flows, it will feel comfortable. If it doesn't feel comfortable, it doesn't flow. Yeah, okay, I've done the outro, but yeah, just in case, stay fresh, stay clean, catch you on the next one. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it. Peace.